down from that Chi-Town dirt. I went from being broke to sleeping.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Hey guys. Hola.
This is Sarah.
Oh, we have the whole group.
Yeah, this is Sarah. This is Taylor.
Hey.
And this is me. And that's their mom. And we're going to go down this long hill. We're going to go sledding. These sleds.
Wait, look here, mommy. By the way, I fell first try.
I didn't fall.
landed
This time I didn't fall the first time.
It was
So-
I landed fabulously.
And I was on both times because I helped something.
Oh, and by the way.
So, this is a focus.
Yeah.
This is the aftermath of going down that hill right there. This is what she looks like. Feel me? Oh my gosh. There's snow everywhere. Snow over my face. Look at me. Look at all of this. So we're going to go down the hill. Whoa. Whoa there.
I'm doing it here.
Whoa. That's my hair.
See that? Like, that's her hair.
So, we're going to go down the hill again together one more time. Oh, this time hopefully we won't fall and get snow all
Hopefully.
everywhere.
No, like, zoom in, like, put it on her hands. Like, seriously. My hands are freaking soaked, man.
Oh, camera's
And my
wet.
hands are numb. Like, I cannot feel my hands.
Okay, so we're gonna go down the hill.
One more time, and there's Sarah over there walking.
So
Right there. Wait, hold on.
okay, you can't zoom.
And I'm squishing Sarah.
Wait, so I'll see you guys later. So wait, so I'm going to go down this hill again.
By herself.
This time by myself. Wait, focusing. So without this one right here. I actually did go by myself, but the aftermath is horrible. My hands are freezing. I can't feel anything right now.